Tim, it's the end of the day on Friday. What do we got going on? We got something special. It's about 6 o'clock. What's going on? You are dirty, boy. You are dirty.
The music is too loud.
What?
The music's too loud.
Turn the music down.
All
right, grab another beer.
Go.
All right, we got something special.
All right, we got
Friday at
Tony, we
6.
got Ariel helping out. We had a really good day today, and to crown it off, to top it off, something special came in the mail today. We've been waiting for it.
Yeah, but first we're gonna wait for you to crack your beer open.
Yeah,
Okay, take your time.
I mean, these cars started coming out in '82 for the European market, '82 for the European market, and '83 for our first American model year, right? And it's hard to get some parts for them. You know, a lot of the consumable stuff is there, but I mean, everybody needs. Everybody needs some things that nobody can get, and they're just rarer than rocking horse crap. And one of those things is the dashboard.
Yes, what's one particular part that always rots and cracks?
It's in Southern California. It is the dashboard. So this guy just came.
Be careful.
This guy
Don't
just
cut
came.
into the dashboard.
And this is not a aftermarket thing. This is from Porsche. They are actually reproducing the early dashboards again. So really welcome news. You know, we're trying to take good care of these cars and keep as many on the street and as working well as possible.
So did you get this direct from the dealership?
Yes, that's the
local
thing.
dealership.
It came
and all you have to
from-
do is ask your local Porsche dealer.
It came from Porsche to
Right.
the dealership. This is a real factory, brand new dash.
Early model or late
not
model?
new old stock. This is brand new.
So this is
early.
early? So it'll
Yes.
fit on a 924 and a 924S as well, or just?
It'll fit on a 944 early and a 924S. But the cool thing is that they're making them again, and it only stands to reason that they're going to produce the late model dashes too, right?
Right.
Up top.
Yeah.
Ready?
Give us a slice.
There was just enough demand for them.
Save the bubble wrap.
I know they made. We got word that they made 30 or 40 of the things. So we said,
Oh, wow.
no brainer. Let's grab one just to see. Want to touch it?
Oh, yes.
You wanna
Lord.
touch it?
You want to watch?
My hands are dirty.
No, your hands.
I'm good.
Your hands. Look at it. His hands are clean.
Good. Pull it
why
up.
did I
I'll hold the
sell
bubble
my
wrap.
924S?
Give me,
It's beautiful. Hold it widthwise like it's your brand new baby.
Shit.
Side to side,
Look
Tim.
at
Oh my
that.
god. That is freaking beautiful. Look at the brackets are like perfectly shaped to go into the A-pillars.
I want one.
Look at this. Let me go.
I want one already.
I want to go spend a few minutes in the bathroom with this thing.
Okay, but here's the question: Is it
Easy.
gonna crack as easily as the old ones, or is it made of some
Well,
better
It's going to
material?
take 25 years.
Yeah.
But there's new technology now, new plastics, new adhesives. The frame, which I'm super glad they still have.
Yeah.
They still have the book for making this thing.
Yeah.
And God,
Hold it still,
that
or
is,
move it around. Either way,
that is outrageous.
just hold it still. Hold it
Just
still.
beautiful. Wow. That is sexy. And everything's right where we know it should be. You know, all the bolt holes, the bosses, look for the dash center right there, the speaker grill. That is cool as hell. It looks like a really good, and you expect that from Porsche, you know. Let me see if there's writing on the bottom. Maybe Fritz or Hans signed it. Yeah, there's something right there. Take a picture of that.
Where?
Was haben wir hier?
Part number and
That's great.
Made in Germany.
See, it is 924 right there.
Yeah. So
yeah.
So this will work on the early 924s as well.
there's a few different switches and blah blah buttons and knobs and stuff from the early 924s to late 924s, but I think it'll be fine on the 924S and the 944, no problem. So, wow.
I seriously regret selling my 924S now.
This is ausgezeichnet.
Say that again?
Ausgezeichnet. Wir haben das heute bekommen in the post. Jeez, I can't believe this.
Wow. Achtung,
That's
baby.
it. That's it. That's enough.
Oh,
Don't
this
look
is-
anymore. That's,
All right.
that's enough.
I think this is
All right,
different.
we're going up on 5 minutes.
I think this is different. This is different here, maybe a little bit. That might be a little different. I'm not sure about that.
Yeah, but don't look anymore. That's it. That's it.
Ah,
That's
that's
all you can have.
All right, we're going up on 5 minutes.
CRE.
Say goodnight, Gracie.
Sexy, sexy, sexy. Early dash being reproduced by Porsche. That's unbelievable. Unglaublich. Okay.
Bye.